income is basically exchanging your own time for money. And the last half of this video will be about passive income online, which basically means that it requires a little bit of initial startup time and resources, but very, very little upkeep once you set it up. So feel free to sit back and learn. You can even minimize this video if you'd like. Anyways, here we go. So if you've never heard of Amazon MTurk before, what it stands for is Amazon Mechanical Turk. It's basically a marketplace hosted by Amazon to do things that robots can't do, that they have to have humans to do. And they outsource it to you guys. They outsource it to people with extra time who want to earn a little extra money. There are all kinds of tasks on this website. Anywhere from searching data to data entry to transcribing, which transcribing means watching and listening to a video or audio file and then typing it. And you can actually make $15 to $30 an hour if you know how to do this correctly. And if you know more than one language, you can actually make money on this website by translating stuff. Now, I've personally done this and I earned around $40 to $50 and I didn't put much work into it. But my friend, he worked a full-time job and he actually did this on the side and he did it for a couple months and actually earned more than, I think it was like $350 each month. So they are real, they do pay out, you just have to put the time into it. Another way to make money online is by eBay. You can combine eBay, Craigslist, you can even go to the dollar store, Facebook Marketplace, and basically what you do is you become an entrepreneur, buying low and selling high. You know, you go to your local dollar store and you find this little trinket, oh, that looks cool. I wonder what it costs on eBay. You look it up on eBay and you can sell it for $20 more. Maybe it's a Super Soaker water gun. You buy it at the dollar store for $3, you sell it on eBay for $23. Boom, $20 right there. It probably doesn't even take you an hour worth of your time. Anyways, there are all kinds of marketplaces out there, and if you learn how to leverage them, what sells best where, you can make a ton of money flipping stuff.